हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज हम इंग्लिश के कुछ वर्ड्स के सेंटेंसेस बनाएंगे। तो चलिए लेट्स बिगिन। फर्स्ट वर्ड है सन। द सन गिव्स अस लाइट। द सन गिव्स अस लाइट. The second word is give. Give me a pen. Third word is friend. My friend lives next door. Flower. This flower smells very nice. This flower smells very nice. The next word is chair. Please sit on the chair. Please sit on the chair. The next word is cake. The cake is very delicious. The cake is very delicious. Next word is music. I love listening to music. The next word is tree. This tree is very long. The next is rabbit. The rabbit runs very fast. The rabbit runs very fast. The next word is cricket. Cricket is my favorite game. Cricket is my favorite game.